Hello, and welcome back to our Agent a Day challenge. Today is day 4, and what I have for you today is a Notion Manager agent over here. So this Notion Manager agent, it connects to your Notion, is able to do a bunch of operations using Notion. So it can get your Notion content, it can create new pages and databases, it can update your Notion content as well, and it even has some search tools so that you can query it and get it to do research and then put the results into your Notion page. So to see it in action, the general setup, the only thing you have to do is go into here, into tools, and you need to go to your Notion account here, and then you need to change it into the account that you want to use. When you want to add an account, all you have to do is just do this, and it's super easy and simple. Yeah, you don't need to do much there. So once you have this connected and set up, all you need to do is to tell it what Notion page you want it to access. So over here is a Notion link. So if I click onto here, it's gonna there's a page here for all the stuff that that we're doing. So how it works is it's pretty straightforward. This is just an example task. So sample Notion, organize a page, and it's able to go ahead and find existing pages. It can retrieve pages, and it's made for us a sample page. We can also tell it to do research. So this one, for example, find the latest Microsoft financial report and put it into your Notion page. And over here, we can see it's done 2 Google searches, extract content from website. So this is, there's a summary of the results. And we also have the page over there. So over here, we can also do this with Google. And we can see if we open this, there's a whole bunch of stuff here, and there's also the link to the original PDF. So yeah, this is a pretty useful agent that I've used myself to organize and just add new pages agentically, and it is a very useful addition to any agentic workforce. That is Agent a Day number 4. Have fun, go ahead and use it. It's super simple and useful. See ya. Bye.